Hello and welcome to the final episode of the Dugout for this season of the IPL. David Warner leading from the front, captained his side to an IPL title, and of course he's leading from the front even with his batting through this season as well as this game.
Absolutely. I mean, it's been one of the greatest seasons for David Warner, much like Shane Warne perhaps in the 2008 edition. Single-handedly won the tournament, scored 34% of the team's total in the entire season.
That's a stunning number.
Yeah. I mean, right from the start when Shikhar Dhawan was not firing, from Yuvraj Singh was not firing, he single-handedly take them. I mean, last match was another example, the eliminator here. Where he scored 93 not out.
Yeah.
Chasing some 160 odd runs. Brilliant. I mean,
today 69 of a quick fire 69 of 30 odd deliveries took his side to 208, which was a good total. Like you needed a total of 200 plus on it at Chinnaswamy Stadium.
Yeah, despite the short boundaries and all, the scoreboard pressure eventually gets to them. So 200 plus was invariable and inevitable because you have guys like De Villiers, Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli. I mean, you need some runs. You need 200 plus runs definitely too.
And in fact, it at one point it didn't seem like it was enough because obviously RCB have not chased, but they've scored 200 plus at home this season three times. There's no reason why they couldn't have done it up for the fourth time. In fact, they got to 200, but they couldn't get to those 8 extra runs.
Obviously, they could have done it. I mean, with Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli, and the start they gave, they could have done it. But the final, the scoreboard pressure.
Yeah.
I mean, 5 out of the 8 times teams batting first have won the final. So
yeah. And in fact, they were 114 for no loss in 10.3 overs. So they had a very good chance. Like Chris Gayle was going great guns. Unfortunately for them, they lost like the 3 big wickets. Gayle, Kohli, and De Villiers, like 20 odd deliveries. That turned the match right there.
Absolutely, that turned the match right there. And even then, they could have still won that match, but still, they fell short.
Yeah.
They also bowled brilliantly. Bhuvi and Fis, especially in the last few overs, they pulled it back, and some inspirational captaincy by
Warner once again. Yeah. What can you say? In fact, in a match where both teams scored like at 10 plus an over, Mustafizur went for 9.5 odd, which doesn't look that great, but his impact was seen towards the end of the innings. And obviously, Bhuvi, he didn't take any wickets, but he went at just a little over 6 runs an over. You can't argue with those numbers.
That's been the utility of Bhuvneshwar Kumar. I mean, for the last 3-4 seasons, he's been consistently getting wickets and bowling very frugally. I mean, very understated bowler, but he proved his worth truly in this season. Like 23 wickets at 6 points, and he's bowled the most number of dot balls also in this series.
Yeah, he's been crucial for Sunrisers as well. Yeah. What are the key takeaways for Sunrisers? And like RCB obviously in this season.
RCB again, third time unlucky.
Yeah.
But they still have a great team. Chris Gayle, AB, Virat Kohli. I mean, they should win sooner than later.
Yeah. Same guys always coming through for them.
Yeah. That's a hindrance also for them.
Yeah.
I mean, you need new guys. I mean, KL Rahul was obviously big positive.
Yeah.
And Srinath Arvind has shown his ability in patches.
Yeah. But obviously not consistent enough to give them the title.
Yeah.
So anyway, that was it for this season of the IPL. Keep watching the Dugout.